Hello everyone, this is NAVEEN's Technical Solutions channel. Today we will discuss tutorial HTML tutorial 2 Hypertext Markup Language tutorial 2. I have already discussed tutorial 1, what are the basics of HTML in previous video. If you not seen that video, please once revise that video and come to this video. In this class we will learn about HTML basic element. What are the HTML basic elements? How many elements are there? And there are many number of HTML elements are there. What is an HTML element? We have to discuss what is an HTML element. An HTML element is defined by a start tag and end tag. In between these two there will be some content. See here, the tag name will be there and closed tag name will be there. In between these, content will be there. The code will be there in between these two tags, opening tag and closed tag. Here see some examples like this is the opening head tag and closed head tag, opening title tag and closed title tag, opening body tag, closed body tag. Like that, these are some of the important tags which we use in basics. In basics we use all these tags. Okay, in this class we will learn all these tags and explain these all tags one by one. At first we will discuss about what is an head tag, why we use this head tag. Here head tag will be started by opening head tag and closed by closed head tag. It contains, the head tag element contains metadata. What is called metadata? Metadata means document title, character styles, script and other meta information. These are all called as metadata. This metadata will be available in head tag. I will show you what will be written in this head tag. See here, if you open any web page here, if you open this Facebook, see here Facebook, like this heading is there now, this one title, this is the head tag. This title tag will be written in this head tag like that. I'm closing it now. See how this head tag will be used. I will show you by giving the example, but we have to learn about also title tag also. In this basics we will only learn about document title only. This character set, style, script we learn in further classes because these are somewhat depth concept. But now in basics we will learn about document title, how to keep the document title in head tag. We will discuss now. What is the title tag? We already discussed that. What is title tag will be used for give the browser's title there. Okay, the page title will be given by this title tag. See how this title tag and how this head tag will be used. We will see the examples in Sublime text. I have already shown how to download the Sublime text and links I have given also in previous video, and in this video also I have given that link for downloading the Sublime text, where Sublime text is the best software used for HTML5. At present, click on file and click on and then new file. I have taken a new file and now I am saving the file. Click on file, just click on save. You have to save the file with HTML extension. Already I have created 4 files. This file I am naming as file5.html. Okay, the extension are very important. The extension will be file5.html. This extension is very important. Basically you have to learn one thing. This HTML is not case sensitive. If you written in capital or in small letter, any letter you written means no problem, because HTML is not a case sensitive. At first any HTML problem will be started by, I have already discussed in previous video, any HTML code will be started by basic HTML tag. At first it will be the HTML and down also HTML, and in between these, if you in the Sublime test I am showing now, if you want to write the basic code of this, give the tag and click on HT. Okay, here automatically in scroll bar HTML option will be shown, like click on that HTML. Okay, here HTML is click. Here I already said in previous class why this doc type is used to maintain some format, the basic format, and the nice format will be declared by this doc type. That's why this doc type is used in this HTML file, and HTML started with HTML and closed with HTML. In this, head tag is used. See this, head tag is used. Where this head tag is used to write any script or styles or title. At present we are only discussing about title. We are giving any title for this web page. I want to give any title for this web page. So at present I am giving, this is tutorial 2 now, that's why I am giving that tutorial 2 YouTube classes. Like that I have given the title of the web page. I am saving it now. See, just control S that button, and now I am going to the file which contains the HTML. See here, file now I have saved with file name, so I am opening it. File. See here the title showing like tutorial 2 YouTube classes. This what the title tag shows. The title of the page will be shown by this title tag, where the title tag will be written in head tag. See, these are the difference between the title tag and head tag. In head tag we will write the title tag, where this title tag shows the title of the web page. Okay, we are going to the body tag now, where this body tag is very important. Where this is the heart of the code. Okay, this body tag is the heart of the code, where we will write all headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. are many uses in only body tag. The main part of the code will be written in this body tag. Okay, see, I will show how this all headings, paragraphs, images, how these are all used in this body tag. I will show in further. Now see, next tag I will show that H tag, it means heading tag. Heading tag will be available from H1 to H6, where it defines the HTML headings. Okay, now I will show now what are the different types of heading types. I will show you by H1 to H6 now. Okay, now in body tag, click on Sublime test. I have already written. Here we contain the body tag. In this body tag we have to write this heading. I am writing the heading part. See here, H1. I am writing that any heading. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, I am writing here. See, H1. Hello everyone, I have written here. See, Control S, save it, and then go to the Google and refresh the file. See, heading is came now. Hello everyone. This is used where for heading purpose we will use the H tag. See here, but what is the difference between H1, H2 and H3? Like I will show you now what is the difference between these all. Just to copy it, Control C hit, enter, Control V, I have to write 6 and change the numbers as H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Here also, and in that closing tags also you have to change it. H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. I have said that now heading tags will be available from H1 to H6 only. But what is the difference between these tags? What is the H1? What is the H2? What is the H3? What is the H4? Like that you will get some doubts. So I am showing that what is the difference between these all. So save it now. Control S. Go to the Google and refresh it. See how it was displaying. At H1 tag, it was showing the big letters. After at H2, somewhat little. After up at H3, gradually it was decreasing. See, H1 it was very big. At H6 it was very small. So we have these heading tags for heading purposes with respective sizes. If you want to write big heading, you have to use that H1. If you want to write small heading, you use the H6 respectively. Which one you want, choose that one. So I am going to PPT now. See here, this is the very important tags, HTML formatting tags. These are the formatting tags, where these formatting tags are elements useful for special types of text. To display special types of text, we use it. At first, see bold text for something like I have written something like I am NAVEEN. Okay, I have written this. See, just save it. What happened? See in that, go to the Google and refresh it. See how it was showing. I am NAVEEN, the basic standard text. It was showing like no any colors or no any other styles. Nothing was applied to this text. Just the normal I am NAVEEN text. Okay, now I am applying all this. Now applying all this to that line. First, bold text. See here, I am writing the bold text. B means it will show the sorry, just refresh it. See, it was changed to bold type. It was changed to bold type. At first it was normal text, but now it was changed to bold type. After it, what is that? After bold, strong, important text. This is also like a bold text. There is no change between the bold text and strong text. Now see the italic text. What is italic text? If you want to change this I am NAVEEN into italic, just delete the B and input the I. Open I and close it. Just save it and go to the Google. Just refresh it. See how it was changed, where the normal text changed to italic text. Okay na? Have you ever understand what is the difference between the bold and the B tag, strong tag and italic tag? Emphasize text also similar to the italic text, where important text similar to bold text, emphasize text similar to italic text. But see here, what is marked text? This was very important. See, if you want to mark this everyone, see like this you want to mark this. Now what you have to do? Go to the Sublime text. See here, everyone is there now. Which word you want to mark? That word before and after you write mark tag, opening mark tag and closing mark tag. I am writing here mark tag, and after that word also I am writing closed mark tag. I am saving it. Going to Google, just refresh it. See how it was marked by yellow background. It was marked. Understand? Okay. After mark tag, smaller text. What is meant by smaller text? What is meant by small tag? Why this small tag is used? I will show you. If you want to see here how much of size the high level one contains, somewhat bigger now. I want to reduce the size of this heading, so I am using the small tag, small, close, and also closed small. Okay, now I'm saving it. Now see the difference. See the difference. It was became small than before one. That's why I am using this small tag. Delete tag. Where delete tag used to delete any text in between. We will use the del tag. See how I use del tag. If I want to delete this everyone, please write del, and after that everyone also use del. Control S. Go to the Google and refresh it. See, in hello everyone is deleted, means it was cross marked. But
Hey there, how may I help you?
But instead of this everyone, if you want to write hello world, instead of this everyone, if you want to write hello world, here insert tag will be used here. Insert means ins tag will be used if you want to write anything. Like after deleted this, if you want to write insert ins, if you want to write hello world. No, sorry. Yeah, if you want to insert the world at in place of everyone, see after everyone, see here, see hello everyone is cancelled. After everyone, world word is displayed here. This is the uses of insert tag. After we will use what is the meaning of subscript text and superscript text. I will show you the difference between the subscript and superscript. Okay now, here see after this hello I am writing subscript. After this also I am writing subscript. After this I am writing superscript. After everyone, just save it, go to the Google, refresh it. No, sorry, you have to use just only subtag. No mistake, I have written that. Just to only use subtag. Subtag and subtag. What is difference between subscript and superscript? You have to use only sub or sup. I will show you the difference now. Just save it, go to the Google and refresh it. See here, after hello in subscription part everyone is there, and after hello in this, after hello in power part everyone is there. This is the difference between subscription and superscript. Subscript and superscript, to prefix and suffix now. Okay, like that have to there is the difference between sub tag and super tag. After that, what is meant by center tag? Why this center tag is used? Okay, now I will show you now why the center tag is used. Here there now h1. Okay, I am writing this h2. Okay, this heading is there na h2. After h2, actually this topic will come under attributes, but now I am saying for just basically. If you can't understand also no problem. In next video I will detailedly explain what is the attribute and what is the values and what is the names. I will explain in next video, but in this video I am just normally I am explaining this. Just click on A and align is equal to center. You have to write it. Just save it, go to the Google and refresh it. See here, at middle it was came na H2. H2 heading will come to center. That's why this center tag is used. What is called as this align? All I will say in next class. In attributes I will discuss the topic. But now you just see only the basic part. We have seen that center tag. After center tag, you will see the what is the OL and UL tags. What is the OL and what is the UL? Ordered list and unordered list. You will see the difference between them. In example, open Sublime test. You just type OL, enter, LI, write anything, write any name. Like that I have written and closed the OL. Means this order list tag will be started with open OL tag, and in between this LI tag is used to write any list. For writing list, this OL and UL UL will be used. But what is the difference between OL and UL? I will show you now. Just you write also UL. Just type LI something right. Just write LI something right and close the UL tag. I will show you the difference between what is the, but this OL and UL is commonly used for only to write the list in a format way. But what is the difference between UL and OL? We will see now. Just save it. Just refresh it. See here. See here, where order list will be classified by numbers, where OL will be classified by numbers, but unordered list will be classified by some small dots is there now. By point wise the unordered list will be shown, and by number wise order list will be shown. This is the difference between the OL and SL. After OL and SL, what is the BR, P, HR tags? I will show you now what is the BR, P, HR tags. See here, I am NAVEEN is there now. After that, I have written anything like that. I have written and saved it. See here how it will be displayed. I am NAVEEN HFT WHB, like that. At side by side it is shown now. To make this HF, this word at below this BR tag, break tag will be used here. If you use BR, once again see this, there is no closed tag for BR. There is only one tag, that is also open tag, that is also open BR tag. If you written this, see what is the difference between before and now. Just refresh it. See, after I am NAVEEN, at next line this word is displayed. So to break that line we will use that BR tag. Okay now. After, paragraph tag is generally used for to write any paragraph. Okay now. See here, paragraph tag is used for write like to write like this any paragraph. To write any paragraph like this, this paragraph tag is used. Just refresh it. See how this paragraph tag will be used to display any paragraph. This P tag is used, where that is paragraph tag. After paragraph tag, what is HR? To make a horizontal line. See here, I want to make a horizontal line after this H1 heading. See how I will write. After this, just the type HR. Okay now, Control S. Refresh it. See here, after first heading, you will see a horizontal line. To write this line, this HR tag will be used here. So this is the difference between the break tag, paragraph tag and HR tag. Where break tag produces a line break, a paragraph defines a paragraph, HR tag to thermal break in the HTML place, means to write a horizontal line. Okay, now see, these are all the HTML elements we have discussed today. In next class we will discuss about what are the HTML attributes. Means before I said now the center tag I have said now how it was used, like align is equal to center. These all will be covered in this attributes, HTML attributes. Please don't miss the next class also, because HTML attributes are very, very important. Thank you so much for watching this video. Channel name NAVEEN Technical Solutions. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for next videos. Thank you everyone.